It's the law, but on the ground level, we have seen that it has not been implemented in such a way. In the previous past also, we have seen that various laws and actions are made that we will do this, we will do that, but nothing has been implemented on the basic level, on the ground level. That if I talk about judiciary, so if we see the corruption cases, they are also pending for many days in the high courts also, and later nothing happens, and not on the ground level nothing is implemented. But
See, in my opinion, gentlemen, bureaucrats have the most major role in countering corruption in India. As we can see that regarding judiciary, we can see that the judicial institutions are giving punishment to those who are caught doing corruption. They are imposed with heavy fines, and sometimes even are also sent to jail for doing mass corruptions. But that's not a very thing, because it is just a second,
Yes,
gentlemen.
no,
It is
please,
possible
please.
that it is possible for these people to evade the judicial system and do corruption out of that. Regarding the legislations,
Please answer
government
my
has
one
already
question.
been.
How the CJ, how
not a
the son
question,
of the
just let me
CJ
give
can
my
become a
point.
CJ. So according to me, bureaucrats are responsible for the corruption because they are dealing with the people at the grassroots level, right? So our former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi said, if we are giving 2 rupees for any policy, then till the person beneficiary only 0.85 is receiving. Then how it is? Because all the between that all the money which is allocated for any policy, some 50 to 60% is taken up by the bureaucrats who are implementing the policy. So according to me, our country needs honest bureaucrats who are implementing the policy at the grassroots level.
Gentlemen, that was my point, that bureaucrats will play a very good role. Like every body, the judicial body and the legislative body are doing their work in their own way.
You
But
know
the
that
bureaucrats are the most important ones.
the fund is
Since
coming from
But
the
they are the
upper
most
level,
corrupted
it
ones,
is
so
going to the
judiciary plays
lower
an
level.
important role.
So the only 10% of the 10% of the fund reaches for the development.
Judiciary is responsible, like Supreme Court is the highest court of order. They solve the case.
Officers at high post, and it happens at lower levels also. So to deal with corruptions, the main institution, I believe, it should be the contribution of the bureaucrats. When it comes to the legislature, they are making laws and they are working towards making policies for stricter punishments.
That's what I am saying.
And the judiciary is also working to implement those punishments. But the bureaucrats are working at the lower levels. They are working with the public, and they are implementing those policies when it comes to our localities and to our nation. So if the corruption is removed from that, and if the bureaucrats are honest in their jobs, then it will be more effective. So I believe the main institution is a contribution of bureaucrats.
Bureaucrats are the most important controlling factor. See, as we can see that the bureaucrats, one of our former speakers mentioned that there is a lack of honest bureaucrat officers in India. But I think that the most of the privatization and the digitalization of the government services that is being done. Like we can take the example of obtaining the driver's license. There was a lot of paperwork.
I agree with you.
If the Central Vigilance Commission will be fair,
The
then it will be then no
bureaucrats play a major role in rooting out corruption.
Okay, just I want to take
Hence, I
this
believe
point
we have
with
to
the
make it
help of
constructive.
example.
Don't counter each other, and
If you have seen the food chain, the money, the development allotment goes to the downwards. The bureaucrats on each step, each department, they distribute the money for the development, but it doesn't go in the way as it comes. So on the every level there is 10%, 10%, 10%. So according to me, bureaucrats are the most important factor on which we have to work so that the
Okay, people who have not spoken.
Former Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri said,
बोलो हाँ बोल
The digital transparency can play really very good importance. But the challenge here, we see that different type of generation in our country are living, and the only challenge they face is not everyone is very familiar with the digital transparency. For that, we have to come up with some encouragement and awareness program. That is really very important. But that government can do, and they can conduct workshops, and we can also collaborate with some NGOs and social welfare group. In this way, we can raise the awareness that is required. And digital transparency is definitely something that is going to be take us away from the corruption. That is the hurdle in our growth, and for that manner we can also